Hello, everyone. For this week's discussion, C1B1T1, I wanted to present the exist operator. You can use the exist operator to retrieve data from more than one table. And the exist operator is a check for the existence of rows that meet a criteria. It can be seen as like a test for the existence of a record, but in a subquery. So for our example, I want to find the number and name of each customer that placed an order on October 13th, 2015 using the tile database. And I will start by building the subquery first, which fills the criteria portion of the question. And we see here, we want to find all the records from the orders made on 10/13/2015. And we will just go ahead and run this really quick just to see what it populates. And so here we see all the columns, and there's two records under this date specifically. Since this is a subquery, we know this will be wrapped after the exist function. So I am going to go ahead and add them in now, the parentheses. And I'm going to just delete these rows because this will be the base. So where exists and then the criteria. So we'll hold off for now, but we're going to move forward to creating the primary query. And we're going to begin by inputting the columns that we need to populate from the other table. So this was orders, and now we need to populate from the customers. So for the question, we wanted the customer number and the customer name from customer. We know now, when we compare the two queries, that we got to tie the two pieces together because one is one table, one is the other. Based off of the ERD, we know that the common factor is actually going to be customer number. So we are going to add another line in the subquery that defines that. So where we see order date, I am going to go ahead and push that away and put in, oops, not the double, but we want to put in this part so we can define customer table customer number equals orders table customer number. And we careful here, we want to add an and so we know that it's doing two parts. And these two criteria become the implicit join to set the equality between the two tables. And so now that we see all is right, we're going to go ahead and just combine these so it makes it look a little bit cleaner. So we're going to read it from the top, select customer number from and customer name from customer where it exists in the orders table as the date that we need. So 10/13/2015. I'm going to go ahead and execute this all together. And so we see we also received two different results, but now we have it listed the way we needed it. So customer number, customer name. Just like predicted, I guess, right? And yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you.